Okay, people, with me today, I have the GLaDOS. No, not the video game character. My cat. And here is my cat. I have a question for you, GLaDOS. Why do you sleep all day? Again, why do you sleep all day? Again, my cat's GLaDOS. Why do you have to sleep all day? Okay, you don't want to answer that one? Why do you like laying in sunbeams so much? Just don't look at me. So you're not going to answer that one either. Huh, GLaDOS? Come on. Come on. Answer the question. That wasn't my question. I'll pet you, though. But that still wasn't my question. What is the answer to my question? Why do cats lay in sunbeams all day? Give me a second. Give me a second here. Again, why do cats lay in sunbeams all day? Just tell me. Why won't you just tell me why cats lay in sunbeams all day? Just tell me. So why does your head keep teleporting randomly? Okay, just tell me. Just tell me, come on. Isn't that hard? Tell me, you cat. Oh my god, I give up. I'm not doing this anymore. Her head teleported again. What is going on?